Hey guys, it's Dan from World of Mr. Grey, back again with hopefully another 16-bit video game scene in Paint. Who knows? If you want to see my previous one, I did Chrono Trigger. Still haven't finished it yet, but I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah, this time I'm going to be doing, hopefully, fingers crossed. Where's he gone? There he is. Splatterhouse. I'm gonna add the fire to the fireplace because I want a light source in this one. Because I think you can get some cool shadow effects, lighting in a horrific confined room. I think it'll be pretty cool. Splatterhouse, by the way, just a quick one, I think it was my first ever video game gory video game horror game I ever played. It was when I was, I think it was 9 or 10 years old, and it was the Tavern in Porthcawl. Only local people know where that was, but yeah, that was the first time. So let's get going. Right, this is always the hardest part for me, is marking all the positions in and stuff, because you look at it and you think it looks like a 2-year-old drawing, 2 years old toddler's drawing, and it's hard to get past that sometimes. But you just gotta persevere until you get all the shading and the proportions right. It's hard. This is the part where I always struggle. But I think I've got the main parts in. Might have to make the main guy a bit bigger and the hanging guy a bit smaller, because I think he's too big. And I might change the perspective slightly. See how it goes. Realize this is the first time I've talked in almost 2 hours. I think it's just about there. I clearly can't do bloody straight lines. It's really annoying me. Straight lines puzzle me. Why can't I do them? But I think it's just about there. This is a mirror, by the way, that I've tried to still, it's still not straight. I can't get it straight. Bugger it. It's artistic straight. There you go. That's how I'll call it. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the finer details down now. To sort of... Actually, let me save that. Plan image. Right. Because I've got what I want. Just trying to get the finer details down. Figuring out stuff. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Almost. Okay, I'm done. This is as good as I'm gonna get it. I'm quite happy with it. Saying that, look at him over there. Look. I'm definitely leaving it now. I'm definitely leaving it. It's as good as I'm gonna get. I can't draw straight lines. Look at that. That mirror is pissing me off. Splatterhouse. I'm done. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. I don't even know how long I've been going for. Jesus, that took me 3 hours to do. But I'm getting there. Slowly getting better and better each time. Trying to. So yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed. I'm really enjoying, because I love video games, as you know, and I can join that with painting. I didn't think of that. So I think it looks alright. I think it looks alright. I always criticize way too much. I'm just gonna say I'm happy with it. I might go back to it sometime. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. That was digital painting, 16-bit video games, Splatterhouse. And I'll be back again with another one sometime soon. Like I said, if you want to watch my Chrono Trigger one, I'll link that in the description below. Got any ideas of what video games I could maybe paint? Please do let me know. I'd like, I got a few in mind, but if you got some, not too complicated, because I'm not that good. Anyway, that's it. I'm going. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.